Buying a home can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Whether you're just dreaming of it or already starting to scroll through listings, you're in the right place. And we built this site to help you make that next step with clarity and confidence. This is From Rents to Roots, a step-by-step home buying guide designed to teach you what really goes into owning a home and how to move from where you are to where you want to be. We've broken it down into 4 simple steps. Number 1 is laying the foundation. We'll help you understand what it really takes to become a homeowner. This includes talking about credit, income, assets, and whether renting or buying makes the most sense for you right now. Number 2 is securing the financing. We'll walk you through what a pre-approval looks like, choosing the right loan, what lenders look for, and understanding your monthly costs. So you're not guessing, you're planning. Number 3 is house hunting your way. Not everyone wants the same level of help, and that's okay. We'll show you how to buy with or without a realtor, or get just the support you need to feel confident writing an offer. Number 4 is beyond the keys, because our job doesn't end at closing. We help you monitor your home's value, connect you with trusted resources, guide you on refinancing, and even invite you to client events and giveaways. Whether you're ready to buy now or need time to prepare, we're here to help, not pressure you. You can explore each option at your own pace, download helpful guides, or even chat directly with us if you have a question. So if you're wondering, can I actually do this? The answer is yes. And we would love to help you make that happen. Scroll down to explore the steps or hit the chat button below to talk to us.